Guys, welcome to another video in English, and today I am going to share the beauty of nature in my village area. You know, this place is called Pukur, and the place is very beautiful and peaceful because most of the people in our village area, they come to the place in the morning for jogging and morning walk. Villagers also come to the place at afternoon to take fresh air, and you can see the condition of the road is not very good. There are a lot of holes on the road, and the bushes of cars both sides of the road, they make the road very beautiful though, but the condition of the road is not very good, and the weather is very fine and beautiful, but the sky is cloudy. I think it may rain after a few hours. You can see there are a lot of dhonja trees. They are actually called rhizobium plant, and a lot of jute tree. You can see there are a lot of jute stick both sides of the road. You know that there was a huge flood in Khanakul, West Bengal. So due to heavy flood, most of the rice field had been washed out. So the farmers are trying to regrow so that they can produce a good crop. You can see there is a small canal, and the water of the canal is so dirty.